long while. Maybe a few months, I think, something like that. But I'm totally back. Was busy getting other stuff together for July coming and so forth as it pertains to my personal life. But I'm back with another video. I hope y'all are doing fine. I hope all is going well with everyone. Everyone is staying safe and all of that. So in today's video, I'll be doing a video of the types of Jamaican women on dating sites, dating apps, whatever it is, as it relates to dating. Because so many persons want to get all lovey-dovey, want to be cuffed, want to have a special person and all of that. So we go around seeking it on these apps. But do you actually know some of the females behind these apps that you're texting? Yes, the text is so sweet and everything that you like to the brain, but do you actually know the females behind these apps? I am actually also going to do a one with the types, do another video per se with the types of men behind most dating app sites. So stay tuned for that. But today is all about the females. So yes, you get that nice text, but do you actually know the female behind that profile? I doubt you do. So stay tuned, because today you're gonna find out a few Jamaican women behind these dating apps. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell the next friend, will share another, because I notice a lot of persons are watching my videos, but so many are still not subscribing. Like, what you waiting on? Come on, join the fam. Let's all get happy and laugh together and have some fun. So fellas, after this video, leave a comment down below if you've been in a situation texting a female like this, yes or no. I want to hear it all. I want to know, because I know most of you have. You'll fall in some of these ladies' traps. But nevertheless, let's get into the video. As I say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. So he goes to church. That's good. He's a Christian. You must have money. Send your one teacher, hello, life one, no. Send me 100, but no, they can send me 350, $150, maybe. Can't buy one new iPhone. I only had 100. That money they better go in there too.
Stacy, your rent due.
And the ring too. You know no money, hello, you know to my speed if you know no money. You cannot look man and no money.
I remember say still balance me from last month.
This man better. No, next. The old brother, old man have money. Now it's the old white man have money. Yeah.
I remember I said courts come look for you yesterday about the fridge and the bed where you don't pay for.
Courts too.
One body, I say, I'm like a cat.
What nice guy. I recently about me and my kids then. And we can't leave there, so I'm really need a better life for my kids then. But I feel it's a better life for them. Jerome, it's time to go pick up KC and Chase at school. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. We have to pick them up. Finally find one nice one we can be. Finally find one we get come out and get up. Chance spell occupation for me, no?
Like, you can't have smartphone and I don't know how to spell occupation.
Just spell the word, man, and check if them are
I go like a hot girl in a place.
will be something serious. Yeah. Money and things will be okay. Anything you want me to send it? Oh, you want a picture? Alright, I can get the picture. Of course, I can get the picture. I want to stop bringing the picture. But I am so in love with this man.